ground cinnamon, original gelatin, 2 extra large eggs, vanilla extract, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, a pinch of salt, all vegetable shortening. Last but not least, we're going to use 1 cup of Cool Whip. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a pot on medium to low heat, and we're going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of all vegetable shortening, and last but not least, we're going to add a pinch of salt. We're going to let that cook for a little bit until it comes to almost a boil. Meanwhile, we're going to mix it up. Once it has come to a boil, we're going to add 1 cup of flour, and this is all-purpose flour. We're going to combine it, and we're going to cook it just a little bit longer, about a few minutes. After a few minutes, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to crack 2 eggs. And these are room temperature large eggs. We're going to give it a good mix. Remember, at this time, the heat is off. Once it's nice and mixed, we're going to put it in a piping bag. Once the mixture is done, we're going to transfer it over into the pan where we're going to cook our cheesecake. And we're just going to mold it in. It's been about an hour since I put my crust or my base in the freezer. So now what you want to do is gently remove it from the cake base. And now we're going to deep fry it. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat up this pan to about 350 degrees. Our pan is heated up to 350. We're going to now deep fry our base. Once the crust is nice and brown on both sides, I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel, and then I'm going to add some cinnamon and sugar on top. You want to add the sugar on both sides along with the cinnamon, so I pre-mixed a bit of sugar and cinnamon. Before we start mixing our filling, we're going to dissolve our gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and in this bowl we're going to throw in our cream cheese and mix it with our little mixer. Now we're going to add our can of condensed milk. Our gelatin, we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to blend it some more until it's nice and smooth. Next, we're going to fold in about a cup of Cool Whip. Now you can use whipped cream, heavy cream. We're using Cool Whip. And you just want to gently fold it in. You don't want to mix it or blend it, just fold it in. Alrighty, before we put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, I'm going to sprinkle some sugar and cinnamon on top. After all, this is a churro cheesecake. It's been 4 hours. Here is our delicious cheesecake. I'm going to cut it and serve myself. Here is our delicious cheesecake. As you can see, it is super creamy, no bake cheesecake. Look at that. It tastes just like heaven.